Hi there, this is question 8 from the June 2012 Unit 3 Edexcel hire paper, and it's a conversion graph comparing distance travelled for different amounts of petrols used in gallons. And the first part of the question asks us to work out the gradient of the straight line. So, to work out a gradient, we need to know the vertical change between 2 points on the line and divide that by the horizontal change. Another way of phrasing that is to talk about two y coordinates and two x coordinates where you find the difference between them. So we've got one set of coordinates, x1, y1, and another set of coordinates, x2, y2. So however I go about it, what I need to do is find 2 points on the line and find out the vertical difference between them and the horizontal difference between them. I'm best served by finding 2 points that as far away as we can get them. So we've got the point 10, 400, and we've got the point 0, 0. So what I need to do with those is find out the vertical difference between them, y2 minus y1 if you like. So the vertical change of the y coordinate of the second point is 400, and then the y coordinate of the first point is 0. So the vertical change is 400. The horizontal change is, well, it's gone across 10 for the first point and it's 0 for the second point. So horizontal change is 10. So what we're going to need to do to work out the gradient is do the vertical change divided by the horizontal change, gives us 40. So write down an interpretation of this gradient. The gradient of a line tells you how steep it is. Or a nice way of always thinking about the gradient is, if you've got a line like that, then the gradient is if you go 1 across, the gradient is how many you either have to go up or down to get back to the line. So in the context of this question, if we go 1 across to there, so if we use 1 gallon of petrol, we can expect to travel 40 miles. So the gradient implies that for every gallon of petrol used, you can expect to travel, I'm putting in approximately because this is just taken from some data on a graph, approximately 40 miles. So it's worth just remembering this 1 across, gradient up. If it's a negative number, it'd be down. And that helps you interpret it. 1 across, 1 gallon used, the gradient up, 40 miles travelled. I hope that was useful.